Well, US markets tumbled overnight on fears that interest rates will be needed to be increased by another 75 basis points next month. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. US markets were down 2% overnight. So a local reaction, that is a question that everyone wants to know the answer to.
Local markets down about 0.5%, so not as bad as what US markets fell overnight. About 2% for US markets overnight, and then on Friday they fell about 1% as well. So they're down about 3% over the last 2 trading days. It's all because of fears that interest rates in America may need to be lifted even more at this upcoming Federal Reserve meeting next month. We're going to hear from the head of the US Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, on Friday morning Australia time. He's speaking at the Jackson Hole Banking Conference, which is in Wyoming near Yellowstone National Park. So he's going to be doing the keynote address there. A lot of investors are now selling shares ahead of that because they're concerned the cash rate will go from 2.5% up by potentially 75 basis points next month. So that's the big concern. It'll all be over though on Friday. We'll find out on Friday what happens. And I think there's going to be a positive market reaction on Friday because the US Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, is very cautious with his commentary. So we'll have to see what he says, but I think it's going to be positive.